Let's discuss third question in exercise 13.2. A gulab jamun means one gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Suppose one gulab jamun. This is one gulab jamun. Volume is 100 centimeter cube. It contains sugar syrup. Volume of sugar syrup equal to 30% of one gulab jamun. Clear? A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Suppose one gulab jamun volume is 100 centimeter cube. Volume of sugar syrup in one gulab jamun is 30%. It means 30% of 100. How much? 30 centimeter cube. This is the volume of sugar syrup and this is the volume of one gulab jamun. Clear? Find the approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns. Here we have 45 gulab jamuns. Okay? Each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends. See this gulab jamun? The shape is cylinder and it ends. Shape is hemispherical. Hemispherical shape. Cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length equal to 5 centimeters. Suppose this is the gulab jamun, one gulab jamun. Here given total length of gulab jamun is 5 centimeters and diameter is 2.8. Diameter of the hemisphere is 2.8. What is radius? Diameter equal to 2.8. Radius equal to diameter by 2. 2.8 by 2 which is equal to 1.4 centimeters. So radius equal to 1.4. This is 1.4 and this length is 1.4. Here to here is 1.4 left hand. This is the radius of the hemisphere, 1.4. What is the length of the cylinder? 5 minus, total length is 5 minus radii of hemispheres, 1.4 plus 1.4. It gives cylinder length. 5 minus 1.4 plus 1.4 which is equal to 2.8. 5 minus 2.8 equal to 2.2 centimeters. This is the height or length of the cylinder. Height of cylinder. Okay. Here we have to find how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns. So first we want volume of one gulab jamun. Total volume of one gulab jamun equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemispheres. 2 into volume of each hemisphere. Volume of cylinder. Formula is pi r square h. 2 into volume of each hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. pi r square is common. H value, h plus 4 by 3 r pi r square 22 by 7 into r square. Radius is 1.4. 1.4, write it as 22.8 by 2 whole square. Height of the cylinder, height or length of the cylinder is 2.2. 4 by 3 into radius is 22.8 by 2. 22 by 7, 2.8 by 2 into 2.8 by 2. 2.2 plus 4 into 2.2 ones 2 2s. It is 2 into 2.8 by 3. Try to calculate this value. Finally, this value equal to 25.05 centimeter cube. This is the volume of 1 gulab jamun. Okay. We know volume of sugar syrup. Volume of sugar syrup equal to 30% of volume of 1 gulab jamun. Volume of 1 gulab jamun. 30%, 30 by 100 into volume of 1 gulab jamun is 25.05 centimeter cube. We want volume of sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamuns. Volume of sugar syrup in 45. Total 45 gulab jamuns. Okay. Total volume of sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamuns equal to 45 into volume of sugar syrup in 1 gulab jamun. It is 30 into 100 by 30 by 100 into 25.05. This value, finally this value equal to, calculate this value, we get 338.184 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamuns is 338.184 centimeter cube.